Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create or to start streaming on TikTok with the Restream application. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to go to Restream and create your own account and log in to the Restream. After that, to start our stream here with the TikTok, we will need to start a live on TikTok the mobile app. So here you will need just to go to your mobile app and open the TikTok, and then you will need just to click on the add button so we can create a live stream. So I'm not eligible to have streams, but if you have the live feature, so basically here we have camera and templates, and basically here it should have the live icon. After having the live icon, you will be able to cast to PC. So basically this cast to PC will be something similar to this. So when you go live, you will find cast on PC or Mac. You click on it and then it will give you some credential or your own URL and your streaming key. Make sure you do not share it with anyone so no one can intervene with your streaming. After that, you will go to the Restream application. Here we will find the multi-stream with third-party software. We click here and basically just forget this page. Here we need to add a new channel, and basically here we want to have our TikTok channel. Then you add your username, your TikTok username. You add the URL that you will find on the cast to PC. After it will show up here, something similar to that. So basically there is the server URL, you copy it, you paste it here, and there is the streaming key and you paste it here. You add the channel, and after that you will have your channel that will be added, and then you can start having your stream from your phone, and you can have it also from your PC, and this is how you can stream with the Restream on TikTok. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.